Everyone's looking for that life upgrade. Here's your blueprint. Imagine waking up every day feeling fulfilled, energized, and ready to take on the world. It all starts with understanding and implementing the Core 5 principles. The Core 5 will change everything. These 5 pillars are designed to help you achieve a balanced and happy life, no matter where you are starting from. Improving your life is all about seeing the big picture. It's about understanding how different aspects of your life interconnect and influence each other. The Core 5 covers 5 essential areas that make up your well-being: mind, meaning, move, matter, and money. Each of these areas plays a crucial role in your overall happiness and success. Mind, meaning, move, matter, and money. First up, mind. Your mental health and cognitive abilities are the foundation of everything you do. Give your brain a workout by learning new things and solving puzzles. Engage in activities that challenge your mind and keep it sharp. Boost your emotional intelligence and manage stress better. Practices like yoga, meditation, and therapy can help you maintain emotional balance and resilience. Focus on character building through personal values and resilience. Developing a strong sense of self and integrity will guide you through life's challenges. Next, we have meaning. Find your purpose with mindfulness and meditation. Reflect on what truly matters to you and align your actions with your core values. Strengthen your romance and family bonds. Building strong, loving relationships is essential for a fulfilling life. Nurture friendships and enjoy hobbies that spark joy. Engaging in activities you love with people you care about enriches your life. Then comes move. Physical activity is key. Whether it's fitness routines, body strength, or flexibility, regular exercise keeps your body healthy and your mind sharp. Remember, leisure activities count too. Physical movement doesn't have to be a chore. It can be fun and enjoyable. On to matter. Wellness starts with good nutrition and supplements. What you put into your body directly affects your energy levels and overall health. Prioritize quality sleep for energy restoration. A good night's sleep is crucial for your physical and mental well-being. Create a nurturing environment in your living space. Your surroundings can greatly influence your mood and productivity. Finally, money. Get smart with your finances. Budget, invest, and save. Financial stability provides peace of mind and opens up opportunities for growth. Focus on professional growth and work-life balance. Strive for a career that not only pays the bills, but also brings you satisfaction and allows for personal time. Manage your possessions by embracing minimalism. A clutter-free environment can lead to a clutter-free mind. Now, before setting any goals, take a moment to assess your current state. Self-reflection is the first step towards meaningful change. Rate each area from 0, needs a lot of attention, to 5, totally amazing. This will help you identify where to focus your efforts. Every few weeks, reassess and adjust your goals. Life is dynamic, and your goals should evolve with your changing circumstances. Remember, every small step counts toward a balanced and satisfying life. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Start your journey with the Core 5 today. Embrace these principles and watch your life transform into a more balanced, fulfilling, and joyful experience.